Hi there, Carl! Hi there, Carl! Hi there, Carl!
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Chucky. Hello, Angelica.
This is too scary.
Bring me Tommy.
Wait, Carl, before you kill me, let me rap.
Oh, fine. My rhymes are to fly, they could help me sail. When I go to the beach, I always bring my pail.
Hi,
No,
Tommy.
no, no, wait!
Help me, Angelica.
Bye! Stupid fly! Get out of my face!
Oh, now he's running away.
It's real funny, Chucky.
I'm with you now, and I was with you earlier, but you got away.
No, you aren't getting away this time.
Now, Angelica.
Take this, Carl. I'll get you two next time. Someday!